Influencer Sara Gilson's husband Shawn Duffey filed for bankruptcy 2 years before murder-suicide exclusive. Influencer Sara Gilson's husband, Shawn Duffey, filed for bankruptcy 2 years before the estranged spouses died in a murder-suicide, Us can exclusively reveal. In Chapter 7, bankruptcy documents filed in 2024 and obtained by Us on Monday, July 27, Duffey listed a Glock 19 pistol valued at $450 and wedding rings at $200, as well as about $41,000 in other assets and nearly $260,000 in debts. He listed Sara as a coder and described her as a social media influencer and salon stylist with an income of just over $3,000 monthly. He noted $6,458 in combined monthly income and $6,275 in expenses, as well as roughly $12,000 in student loans.
Fruit flies taking over your kitchen? This discreet plug-in trap uses light to attract flying insects, then captures them on a replaceable adhesive cartridge without noisy zapping or messy sprays. Want to get the best verified deal and see full details? Visit grabdeal.us/one right now.
Us should note that the home where the crime reportedly took place is listed in docs as his home address when he filed bankruptcy. Other belongings he listed include $2,500 in household furniture, $400 in electronics, $1,200 in clothing, a $150 lawn mower, and a $500 computer and camera. Duffey also owned a $35,019 GMC Sierra. At the time of the filing, he had $100 in his checking account and $300 in savings. The bankruptcy, for which a fresh start is the fundamental legal purpose of filing, was discharged a few months later. Gilson and Duffey were found dead in their Oklahoma home on Thursday, July 23, according to Tulsa's ABC affiliate. An unidentified family member claimed to authorities that the couple, who were separated, died by murder-suicide, with Duffey allegedly fatally shooting himself and his estranged wife. Gilson could reportedly be heard screaming and crying in the background of a 911 call before her death. An Owasso Police Department dispatcher told first responders after receiving a call from a child who lived at the home, according to People. 2 weeks before their deaths, Gilson claimed via TikTok that her marriage was over and that Duffey was guilty of pedophilia. Duffey never publicly addressed the accusations before his death. Gilson, who is survived by her 2 children from a previous relationship, filed for a protective order against Duffey on June 10, which went into effect on the same day. In her petition, she claimed that Duffey had a firearm on him and he went on the run. She also referred to pedo charges in the docs viewed by Us. According to the order, he had to stay 100 yards away from her and their home. The order was extended through August 24. A protective order was also filed against Duffey by a mother in Oklahoma who alleged that he had inappropriately touched her 15-year-old daughter at basketball practice, Us confirmed. The alleged victim has also said that he has been giving her money to keep her quiet, the petition read. The Owasso Police Department, OPD, confirmed in a statement that an incident occurred 1 hour before the parent and juvenile came to Owasso Police Headquarters on June 9 at approximately 8:12 p.m., upon further investigation. It was discovered that a basketball coach, later identified as Jeremiah Shawn Duffey, a coach of a traveling, competitive basketball team, had inappropriately touched a juvenile female member of the team he was coaching inside the school during an event that evening. Police Captain Nick Boatman told Us in a statement, Gilson was a hairstylist with 38,000 TikTok followers at the time of publication. She often shared fashion and lifestyle content.